This is 1966 Elizabeth II dollar coin from Canada, graded in mint state 64 by PCGS, highly sought after small beads variety. According to Stack's Bowers, this highly impressive and rare example is from a limited mintage of only 485 pieces, featuring small beading rather than large, rather mirrored and brilliant in the fields, with tremendous frosting imparted unto the devices. It was sold for $3,000. Here is 1966 Elizabeth II proof 5 pounds from Rhodesia, graded as PR64 by PCGS, gold bullion coin with mintage of mere 3,000. Actual gold weight is 1,1762 ounces, displaying some hints of cabernet mixed in with the shimmering golden nature. This near gem-proof dazzles with immense luster that cartwheels and abounds from each side. It was sold for $3,120. This is 1987 Elizabeth II $5 Bermuda, ungraded gem-proof coin commemorating the Sea Venture shipwreck. Deeply mirrored fields and satiny devices. In the original box of issue, this charming piece ended up selling for $144. Moving on with this 1955 shilling from New Zealand. This attractively toned coin displays the very first portrait of late Queen Elizabeth II, while the reverse design depicts a figure of a Maori warrior in warlike attitude crouching to left carrying a taiaia, traditional Maori weapon, around above, New Zealand around below. The denomination and date 1 shilling 1955 at left above the ground line in small letters, the artist's initials KG for George Kruger Gray. A stunning example bursting with luster and some attractive russet toning, especially on the reverse. It fetched a sum of $2,640. Here is 2012 Elizabeth II silver proof Queen's Diamond Jubilee 500 pounds from Great Britain, graded as PR69 Ultra Cameo by NGC. The coin is commemorating the 60th anniversary of accession of Queen Elizabeth II. Actual silver weight is 4,723 ounces. It was sold for $1,200. Moving on with this 2019 Elizabeth II silver proof Queen Victoria and Prince Albert 200th anniversary of birth 500 pounds, graded as PR69 Ultra Cameo by NGC. This coin is a proof coin, which means it's specially made for collectors and typically has a high-quality strike and finish. The Ultra Cameo designation indicates that it has particularly deep, frosted designs and highly polished fields, giving it a striking contrast. Given its limited mintage and the significance of the anniversary it commemorates, this coin would likely be highly sought after by collectors. It was sold for $1,260 on February 25, 2024. This is 2002 Elizabeth II gold proof first Canadian gold coin 90th anniversary $10 from Canada, graded as PR69 Ultra Cameo by NGC. Actual gold weight is 0.4838 ounces. Comes out of mintage of just 1,998 coins struck by Royal Canadian Mint. Let alone melt value is $976.31. This superb gem ended up selling for $1,080. 1967 Gold Confederation Centennial $20. Graded as Specimen 68 Ultra Cameo by NGC. The Elizabeth II Gold Specimen Confederation Centennial $20 coin from 1967 is a special issue marking the 100th anniversary of the Confederation of Canada. Here are some details about this coin. The obverse front of the coin features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. The reverse back of the coin likely commemorates the Confederation Centennial, and it might feature special designs or symbols related to Canada's history, especially as it was issued during the celebration of the country's 100th anniversary. This wonderful specimen was sold for $1,500. And this is 1960 Elizabeth II proof crown minted by London Mint, graded as PR66 Cameo by NGC. According to Stack's Bowers, a very rare proof striking that is vital to the collections of British and Crown specialists in general. This lustrous, vibrant gem radiates with a tremendous mirrored nature and subtle frosting to the devices. Includes original case of issue. It was sold for $10,200. Your likes and subscriptions are highly appreciated.